When we talk to retail traders, it's clear that many of them have been taught to be afraid of the news or to stay away from big speeches by central bankers. And I think that many of them don't realize that it's exactly this daily and weekly sentiment that really drives the markets in the here and now. Now, if you can understand what's moving the markets right now, then you can combine your technical trading system, whatever that is, with the fundamentals to trade in the right direction and improve your overall results. It is exactly what professional traders do, and it's why something like the Bloomberg terminal exists in the first place. Now, our goal here at Forex Source was to create a product for the little guy, for the retail trader who knows that understanding fundamentals and sentiment is key to profitable trading. But they might be struggling to get to grips on exactly what sentiment is moving the market and, of course, how to take advantage of it. So join me now, let's jump inside the terminal, and what you'll notice is that everything in the terminal is designed to keep you constantly up to date with what is moving the market and the main reasons behind those moves. And of course, how you can use this information to turn the fundamentals into actionable trade ideas. Now let's start with something like the must-read section. Now every single morning when you get to your trading desk, in the European as well as the New York and the Asian time zones, you will see what we call a morning sentiment report or a briefing. Now, these morning briefings or reports are gold because each one basically goes through exactly what is moving the currency market as well as other markets that morning. And it's a great for just giving you a quick snapshot to see that the euro, for example, is supported or declining in today's session, and also providing the reasons or the rationale behind that move. Now next we also have the headline feed. Now this is where you are kept up to date with all the headlines as they break throughout the trading day. Now apart from having the news delivered very fast, you might sometimes be away from your screen when a big event hits the wires, right? So imagine for a second that you're in a trade, you quickly walked out to grab a cup of coffee and suddenly your trade has jumped 50 pips or 70 pips against you and you don't know why. So instead of panicking and breaking out in a cold sweat, you can simply just scroll back and find a written record for what had happened and whether you should liquidate the trade or simply just fade the move entirely. Now, it's also important to realize that there are great trading opportunities every single month where a currency pair can move 50 to 100 pips simply just on breaking news. But sometimes a written headline in the feed might be a little bit too slow to jump into a trade because it actually needs to be typed out. Now this is where something like the audio squawk comes in, which is a great feature. So you can have the audio squawk running in the background while you're doing other work, and when something important crosses the wires, the analyst at the desk will basically immediately squawk that information out. Now the squawk desk covers most of the important market moving news wires and also scans through other things like social media channels to basically alert you immediately if something important crosses the wires. Now, we then have our currency research section. In this, you also have top trading opportunities report for the week ahead. You have a comprehensive central bank analysis. You also have a currency fundamental strength meter as well as an interest rate probability tracker, all very useful tools. Then we also have our market insights tab, which basically updates each day, giving you the current sentiment drivers for each of the major currencies. And then we also have our video commentary, which contains nearly 20, sometimes 30 videos per day, explaining why markets are moving right now and what the current bias is for the major currencies and where you can consider possible entries and exits on the pairs. But the big question is, how do you put all of this information together to find actionable trades? And the Forex Source terminal can do this for you in 5 ways. Firstly, we have our dominant currency sentiment theme reports. Now, this report does all of the heavy lifting in terms of analysis for you by basically filtering out all the noise and giving you the most important movers at the start of the European as well as the New York trading sessions for the major currencies. That will show you which currencies are currently strong and which ones are currently weak, so that you can always make sure that you are trading the highest probability pairs by pairing a strong currency against a weak one. Secondly, we also help you out basically putting everything together in our daily morning webinars. Now, this is where our analysts take your questions. They go over the current sentiment that is driving the markets. They help you to prepare for the upcoming events. They go over the trade of the day. as well as go over any trades that you might be considering to take, but you're just not sure about it. Now, these webinars are designed to basically help you analyze everything that is happening through the lens of the fundamentals. Thirdly, we also have a trade ideas section. Now, each day we try to put out 1 to 2 trades that we believe you can take advantage of during the current market sentiment. Sometimes it might be day trades, other times swing trades. And these trades have guidelines including possible stop loss placement, entry placement, and most importantly, giving you the rationale behind the trade idea. Fourthly, we have our video tutorials. Now here we explain what to look for with videos like how to establish a trading baseline, how to identify trading a sentiment shift, and how you can trade the trigger, among other videos. Finally, as part of our video commentary, we also have a Q&A box below each video, which allows our subscribers to ask our analysts questions, whether it's about a particular bias or a trade idea or just general questions. Very, very handy tool for when you want to pull the trigger on a trade, but you just want that second opinion on whether you are seeing the right things in the market or not. So to quickly recap, the Forex Source Trading Terminal is the perfect tool for retail traders. Now, perfect tool for retail traders who realize that there is something more to trading than just technical analysis. And it's the perfect fit for those traders that want to take a professional step to understand the Forex market and be able to use that info and combine it with their own technical trading systems to enable them to master the Forex market.